Hey guys, welcome to Option Trade Analysis Tools video series. This video is final part of this series. In this we see special features and comparison summary of the three tools. So let's start with OptionsOracle. This Greek's calculator which we had seen already using either Black-Scholes formula or binomial theorem. This is not available in other two tools. That's one thing unique. And any of the report whatever you are making, you can print, or and similarly this analysis, once you make an analysis of your strategy, you can export to Excel. There is a small tutorial available, and then this volatility smile and cone, this is something unique, available only in OptionsOracle. To summarize, this tool is a feature rich and completely free, and all these features are available to access in one single window. Now let's move on to the Opstra. Options backtesting and simulator, these are paid ones. This is something unique here. And then there is one options activity. This is comparatively a unique one with respect to Sensibull or OptionsOracle. You can see in which strike max call is there. The direct filtering is available. You can select your ticker also in which way you want to filter. So this is something good. And similarly, another unique thing what they have, this historical results. For example, if I want to see the ITC results, what time it is released last quarter, exactly the time also you will come to know. That's something unique data what they are providing. And they do give this volatility skew, and then they also give a lot of information about futures, intraday data, heat map. Most of the things are available for free. That also give you a lot of insight about complete future and options. So that's also quite nice. That's about the unique features available in Opstra. And yeah, one another last thing, this straddles is also available, but again it's a paid one. So this also, if you have a paid version, you can have a look at it. This is something unique compared to other tools. Yep. Overall, this is having a balance list of features. In free version you can get most of it, and paid version you will get further insights of the data. Let's move on to Sensibull. Yeah, you are at Sensibull window now. So here something unique, I would say, first one is this virtual trade. This is not available in other tool, but indirectly you can achieve that in the portfolio management, both in Opstra as well as in OptionsOracle. Using portfolio management you can achieve this virtual trading, means you can add your strategy and you can see the data time to time or day to day. Yeah, you can see the virtual trading window here, and you can add your strategy, and you can enter your positions. I want to take this 30 July sell. I just add it. I'll add one more to create a short straddle. Put 30 July sell, add. So my strategy is done. So at any point of time I can come and look at my strategy, and I can see the overall profit and loss of it. So that way this virtual portfolio is helpful. And one good thing is that this Sensibull is tied up with many of the popular brokers, Zerodha, 5paisa and so on. So you can directly place an order also. If you want to do some analysis and analyze the strategy. Other one is this free advice. This is also available, so you can go and choose what is your interest, and then if there is some strategies available, then they would give you alert through. There is a WhatsApp alerts also. And then they do also have this price calculator. This is quite interesting feature again. So if you want, you can go and choose different strikes, but limited expiry is only available. So future target is, if I fill in the data, and then this tool will provide me the multiple options. You want to go with a buy or a sell, what would happen with if you go with a buy, what would happen if you go with the sell, and some kind of quick views, Greeks view, everything it will give. If you buy a call, if you sell a put, what will happen. They have this FIDA data, that's also good. You can add a watch list, and you have a lot of study materials available. Yeah, the last but not the least is the broker integration. That's the biggest benefit of this tool. This is directly integrated with the broker. You can log in with your broker, and you can see and place the orders. You can see, right, if you log in with the broker access, you'll be able to see your orders as well as positions. To summarize, this is quite user-friendly tool. The biggest drawback is that most of the things are paid. Only few features are available for free. Now look at the final summary of all these three tools in a presentation format, and with that we would be closing this video. Now it's time to quickly look at the comparison summary of these three tools. Let's start with usability. So as you see, OptionsOracle is a PC-based tool. Opstra and Sensibull are online tools, and you can get their website details here. You can use it. And subscription is OptionsOracle is completely free, but Opstra is a paid version, 5,000 rupees one-time fee. But Opstra is available in Pro version, that is 1,000 rupees per month. Sensibull is available in Pro and Lite, two different versions. Pro is 780 rupees per month, and Lite is 480 rupees per month. Look and feel and user friendliness, of course, Sensibull is scores quite a lot, and Opstra is better, but OptionsOracle need to go a long way in look and feel and user friendliness. So with usability, you can very well see Sensibull scores quite a lot. Right, let's move on to the stock or strike screening features. Filtering on shorting features are available in all the three tools, but if you see Opstra and Sensibull is missing this long-term strike filtering or viewing. That means the December strikes and all, you cannot see it in Opstra or Sensibull, but which is available in OptionsOracle. That's a good thing with OptionsOracle. Greeks view is available in all three tools, but the difference in Opstra and Sensibull is that you have to go to a different window. Whereas in OptionsOracle it's available on the same window. OI analysis, option chain is completely missing in OptionsOracle, but you can see it in the basic filtering screen, all the strikes and available, but as a option chain view is not available in OptionsOracle, but this is available in both in Opstra and Sensibull as a separate window. IV analysis is IV percentile and IV rank is completely missing in OptionsOracle. But they do have a good feature called type of IV calculation, which one you want to use, that you can go and choose. But in case of Opstra, here they are really good, like IVP and IV rank based filtering is readily available. In Sensibull, IV rank is missing, but IV graph is available only in paid version. Liquidity based filtering, result date based filtering is available only in Opstra, and Sensibull is also available, but it is in paid version. OptionsOracle is completely missing this feature. And heat maps are really good in Opstra. You can go and have a look, and Sensibull is offering in paid version for heat map for futures. ITM probability is available in OptionsOracle and Opstra, but not available in Sensibull. Custom indicators, you can build your own indicator in OptionsOracle, but Opstra is not having anything like that. But some kind of indicators available to see the current trend of the market is available in Sensibull. Customized or special filtering is available in OptionsOracle as part of their wizard feature. But Opstra also has it. It's called options activity. Sensibull, they have technical signals available in paid version. Rather than special filtering, they call it as technical signals. So in this stock or strike screening features, you can see mostly Opstra is scoring quite a good compared to other two. Let's move on to the strategy builder. There are different features available in different tools. Direction view based. This is nothing but if someone is assuming that market will be bullish in next week, so they can simply go and tell the tool that I am bullish on the market. So the tool will pop up the right strategy for you. So that is available in Sensibull. That's quite nice feature in Sensibull. They have two things. One is strategy wizard and easy options. Both are offering this kind of view based strategies. But the thing is that they are limited in free version. So you will get its full feature only in paid versions. OptionsOracle has it. If you go to the templates, they have popular strategies categorized under bullish, bearish, and neutral view. So you can go and choose it. Choose it directly based on your direction view. Opstra is missing this feature. And next one, popular strategy templates available in OptionsOracle. This is really a nice feature in OptionsOracle. For a beginner, he can simply go and choose a straddle from the template, so automatically it fills strikes based on the current spot price. And Opstra is having options algorithm, which is in paid version. They do also support these strategies. And Sensibull also is having it in strategy wizard. Free version has very limited strategies, but the paid version has full. Custom builders, custom strategy builder is available in all three. Sensibull, but Sensibull it's available only in paid version. Strategy strike criteria. This is nothing but if you choose a strategy, how the strikes are placed or positioned based on the strategy. So that is available as part of the wizard feature in OptionsOracle. That is completely missing in Opstra, and Sensibull also doesn't have that. Portfolio management is available in OptionsOracle. You can build your portfolio and see it. Opstra has it, but it supports maximum of 2 strategies. More than that, you have to pay it. So Sensibull offers as part of virtual trade in the paid version. Brokerage and margin data, if you can feed in, you can get your profitability analysis by including this expenses. So that's available in OptionsOracle, but that is missing in Opstra and Sensibull. And different volatility calculation models, it is possible in OptionsOracle. So you can use either historical volatility or option strike volatility, or average volatility. You can use which one you want. You can choose, and based on that all your calculations or analysis can be made. Opstra is missing this feature. Sensibull is using strike volatility. Option pricing model, what type of option pricing model to be used in your calculations or in your analysis, either through a Black-Scholes model or a binomial theorem to be used. So that you can go and choose in OptionsOracle, but that is missing in Opstra. Sensibull is using a Black-Scholes model in the paid version. So in strategy builder, you can see OptionsOracle is scoring quite a lot when compared to others, because OptionsOracle everything is available in free of cost. Strategy analysis. Here payoff data versus underlying is available with all the 3. Payoff data versus end date available nicely as a graph in an OptionsOracle. But if you see the Opstra, you have to slide the end dates and it will show only the graph with respect to the selected end date. You cannot see the expiry date based graph in Opstra at the same time. But Sensibull also supports in sliding, but they show the end date based graph as well as the expiry date based graph together in a single view. Payoff versus volatility is available in OptionsOracle. Here in Opstra and Sensibull, they have it in slider, or in Sensibull it's editable, directly editable. And the graph against this average IV or a historic IV or a option strike specific IV, this is possible in OptionsOracle. But in Opstra, it is what type of IV is used is unknown. Same way the Sensibull is using only the strike IV. Standard deviation values, first standard deviation and second standard deviation values are directly visible in the graph view in OptionsOracle. But Opstra and Sensibull doesn't offer that. Opstra has it, but you have to move your cursor and see the data. Position view, the current position what you have and how are they looking, and you can have the graph plotting of that position with respect to the underlying. So that is available in OptionsOracle. Opstra is missing, and missing that feature. Sensibull is also missing that feature. Summary customization, you can customize your summary table, so that is possible in OptionsOracle. Opstra and Sensibull is missing that feature. So in strategy analysis also you can see OptionsOracle is scoring quite a lot when compared to others. Special features, virtual trade is possible in Sensibull. That's quite nice feature in that. But it's a paid version. Opstra also has a simulator which is in paid version. OptionsOracle doesn't have it directly, but indirectly you can achieve that in the portfolio. You can add your strategy and go and check any point of time. You will come to know what is the value of it. So it's kind of a virtual trade anyway. Broker integration is the nice feature in Sensibull. You can build your strategy. They have tie-ups with most popular brokers. You can directly place your order. You can view your positions over Sensibull. So that's quite nice and interesting feature available with Sensibull, but that is completely missing in both OptionsOracle and Opstra. Option price calculator, you can estimate the future price of your option either based on Black-Scholes formula or a binomial theorem. So that is possible only in OptionsOracle. Opstra doesn't have it. Sensibull, they call it as price calculator, but that is used for a little different purpose. It is in a paid version. Based on that, they will indicate the user that which one is good. Is either buying option is good or selling option is good. That's what they are providing. Analysis report, export or printing option is available only in OptionsOracle. It is missing in Opstra or Sensibull. So with all these comparisons, based on my own comparison or my own experience, I would rate these tools are best fit for example, OptionsOracle is best fit for a professional trader, but Opstra is beginner to mid-level people. It would be really useful. Sensibull is quite useful for a novice or a beginner, those who doesn't even know anything about option trading. They can come and just say the direction what they are expecting for a Nifty or a Bank Nifty. If they come and say Nifty or Bank Nifty is going to go up in coming days, then Sensibull directly throws the strategy in front of you. They can simply click, analyze it, do a virtual trade, and then they buy it directly. So that way it's quite user friendly, and it doesn't allow you to think, and the tool thinks for you and then give the final result. So with all this comparisons, I would like to end this video. Thank you for watching. One final comment. So with this analysis, I would recommend every trader to analyze your strategies before taking a trade, and take the trade confidently, and don't guess anything. Take decisions based on data. Link to all 5 parts of this video series is given in description. Thank you for watching this video series. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you once again.